Kanika. I like it.
Right.
I got this from Barry and the boys in Elizabethtown.
We got shrimp from them too. Fresh. My favorite shrimp.
The Royal Reds. We're gonna cut these up because it's gonna go in your pasta salad.
Can I go ahead and throw my shrimp in? I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in.
Yes, ma'am.
Those are frozen.
It's your birthday. You can do whatever you
right.
want. And I'm gonna put the sausage. It's almost like a little. See how we got
boil.
our kind of southern thing going? Is that gonna be enough?
I
sausage?
think we'll be all right. Yeah, that's be perfect. We're gonna get those boiling.
Those are large shrimp. Deveined.
Right? Peeled and deveined is perfect.
Beautiful, wonderful. Our sausage.
And it's however much you like in your salad. It doesn't matter.
You've put some pasta together here. It's beautiful colored
I like
pasta.
colored pasta, and I've already got that ready.
Multicolored pasta.
Right, and I've chilled it. I want it cold, so it doesn't all stick together. And now we're going to just add veggies.
All right.
And I've always done, we've done pasta salad before, Italian dressing. We just put broccoli and olives and stuff. Well, we're going to add red peppers to this, and instead of the crab meat, we're doing shrimp, and we're doing your sausage. And we're going to make a little bit different dressing to go on top of it, too. So it's going to be good.
Thanks, Gary.
All right, so let's put a little bit of red pepper in there.
All right. Now, you make a mean cold pasta salad anyway. But you know
like
what?
pasta salad.
I really like what you're doing here.
We're doing red peppers.
All right.
And you like broccoli. Don't you love your
I love
broccoli?
broccoli.
Gotta have fresh broccoli in there.
That's good for you. So look what we got right here. We got a gator. We got a pasta salad coming up. We got our ramp spread, which is absolutely wonderful. I could eat every bit of that in a
I know
bite.
you almost did. I haven't had much.
The only reason I left that for you is guess why?
Why? This is my birthday.
I'll be eating every bit of it.
All right, thank you. All right, some more broccoli.
All right.
And you put as much or little as you want.
Did I see a tomato?
That'll be for the end. We're gonna put that on the top.
Okay, gotcha.
Now I have some olives, and I bought them
Black
sliced.
olives, okay.
I love black olives. We'll put those in there.
Man, that is colorful. Beautiful.
That's the base. Now our meat's still going over here.
All right.
While you're stirring that, I'm gonna bring this back. Now usually when I do a pasta salad, I just put Italian dressing in it. And she told me, hers was so good, she said, well, I have mayonnaise and I have ranch dressing too. So I'm like, she didn't say how
And
much.
Italian dressing.
Yes. So I took 2 heaping tablespoons here to
Oh,
try.
you know the amounts because you know what you put in yours, so
Yeah.
you can kind of eyeball it and see.
And if somebody doesn't like it or wants a little more of something,
This is summertime looking.
That's right.
It's getting warmer out.
let's do
estimate.
about, what do you think that is?
That was 2.5 tablespoons.
Was it? All right. Now I also have some ranch.
I love ranch.
You like ranch?
I'm sorry, I love ranch.
You can put what you, I'll do about even. Let's see how that turns out.
That's looking good.
Right.
Miss Ron.
Good?
Tangy.
So if you want to do a little more Italian, whatever you want, you could add to it.
I think it's
Your own
good.
thing? All right.
I'm gonna put some bacon in there.
You know what? Let's put bacon in this salad. That's a great idea. You are smart.
Because Gary over here
Need some?
doesn't need his bacon anymore.
And I have cheddar cheese and Parmesan. We're gonna mix this cheddar cheese in with it now. The Parmesan's for the top. All right, I just threw a cup of cheese in there. And you gave me how many pieces of bacon? A couple pieces of bacon here?
Couple.
Good idea.
That's just a good topper.
You know what? You're right. Perfect.
That bacon tastes like gator.
You need to mix our salad up for us now, mixer boy.
Oh yeah.
Get it all good for us.
I do have mixing skills, don't I?
You do. You're into, what do you think? You think our shrimp and stuff's looking good?
I think it probably is.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drain that, and we're gonna cut these up and put this in.
All right, so you chilled your shrimp and your sausage.
I did, so we can cut them up and put them in there.
All right. Sausages are ready.
Those are ready. Throw those in. Look at our salad. This is the most amazing. She called this her expensive, high dollar, $75 salad. And I can see why, because she made a huge batch. She was feeding hundreds of people.
All right, here we go.
Let's put our dressing.
Final steps.
And if we need more, if it does look like we need more, we can always put more in there.
All right, now we're gonna dice your tomato.
And you can go ahead if you'd like and throw your bacon on there.
All right.
Good idea. That's something she didn't have. All right, we're just gonna, she
top
just
it
sprinkled, so she just put these on the top. Just for,
Just look at that. Is
didn't
that
even
not
stir them
festive?
in, yes.
We got
And
company coming.
we do. Parmesan cheese. I mean, have we added everything we could to this?
That's absolutely just phenomenal.
There you go, ta-da. All right, that's a good looking salad.
We gotta try our salad first.
That's right, you made the salad good too.
From your new friend.
I need shrimp.
Wow.
Did you get a piece of shrimp? Now that's a good seafood pasta, high dollar salad.